Hey, 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 what's going on, everybody? This is Hunter. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Tonight, I'm going to take you on a brief 2.5 to 3 minute tour of this east to west Tandara 286RL-OK. See if you guys like it enough to check out the full tour, which will be posted on June 13th at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Make sure to check that out if you guys do dig this. So this is the Tandara 286RL-OK. It's going to stand for Rear Living Outdoor Kitchen. This is a mid-profile fifth wheel with a lot of great features. Hit that like and subscribe button if you guys are digging my style. But right when you walk in, you're going to notice, even though this thing is 33 feet 4 inches, it feels massive due to these dual opposing slides. So you have kind of your cooking and your seating slide over here. Pretty nice size island with this pendant lighting. And then you have your booth dinette hybrid. Now, as far as size is concerned, the slides are going to be 6'3". This has a kind of little built-in box. That's because the outdoor kitchen is right there on the outside. But you're going to notice a TV on a swivel, an electric fireplace that puts out 5,300 BTUs of heat. So in an RV this size, it'll heat it up no problem. Tri-fold sofa so you can sleep, you know, that funkle that stays over with you. And then right over here, you have the other slide with your recliners, plenty of countertop space right next to that oven, and then your 12-volt refrigerator. If you're not familiar with the 12-volt, that thing will run off of solar, the battery, you know, your truck when you're driving down the road. Island kitchen with plenty of storage and a stainless steel undermounted bowl. Beautiful pendant lighting, I'm digging that. I think that looks really nice. But one of my favorite things about east to west line is this absolutely massive pantry. And I think that you will find it is very accommodating. Plus, on top of that, you got those little octopus doodads that are hanging there because you can take off the drawers and use it as a hanging closet. So pretty sweet little feature for that. Heading on up, we got the old bathroom right here. Nothing too crazy for size, but you got a toilet sitting on an angle, so that way you can do your business. And then you got a shower that's just big enough to get the job done. Handsome guy in the mirror with a bowling arm. And that brings us into the bedroom where you've got a king-size bed, a little bit of storage there above, and then outlets and USBs to the left and right. Right in that closet, right up there too, you're gonna see you have washer and dryer prep. But guys, I got the full tour posted up here soon, so make sure to check that out. I'll put it down in the description the moment that it's posted. But this was the 2023 Tandara 286RL-OK. Hope to see you next time. See ya.